Hi, folks. My name's Chuck Kirk, and I'm from Kansas, and I'm here in Saudi Arabia with Rhonda Sand, Joel Richardson, and Living Passages. And folks, I've got to tell you, this has been such a unique, exhilarating experience traveling with Living Passages. I've done a number of tours, and I have never experienced anything close to what Rhonda Sand provides in Living Passages. I believe that the difference between a good tour company and a great tour company is about this much. And Rhonda goes above and beyond making sure, well, folks, how many tour companies do you know where the owner accompanies you and makes sure that everything runs smoothly? I can't think of any other ones other than Rhonda's Living Passages. So I guess I'm trying to say that if you have a desire to experience some of the things of the Bible, to stand where Moses stood or where the Israelites were, to find arrowheads or to see petroglyphs of golden calves and altars and things, come to Saudi Arabia. Come with Living Passages and Rhonda. She will not disappoint you. I'm 60, almost 69 years old, and I climbed to Elijah's cave, and the guide helped me, sometimes held my hand to get me over certain places and enabled me to experience something that was a dream. So folks, if you have any thought about wanting to experience the things of the Bible, if you love God, come to Saudi Arabia and come with Living Passages. I guarantee you will not be disappointed.